Today my topic is read.csv file in R programming. Read.csv file or read.excel file in R programming. First discussing the read.csv file in R programming. A common spreadsheet values CSV file is the plain text file which contains list of data. These files are often used to exchange the data between different applications, for example, databases, contact manager, and we mostly support the CSV file. These files can sometimes be called character spreadsheet values or common delimited files. They often use of common character spreadsheet data, but sometimes use the other character such as semicolon. The idea is that we can export the complex data from one application to CSV file and then importing data in CSV file to another application. Suppose we can take the notepad, some data is typed. Each data, some separating for the semicolon, and that this file is saved to read.csv, and that the type of file is open to the R console. So sorting data in Excel spreadsheets, the most common way to for data sorting, which is used to data scientists. There are a lot of packages in R designed for the accessing data from Excel spreadsheets. User obtain find the easier to save the spreadsheet in the common spreadsheet values files and then use R built-in functionally to read, manipulate data. Read.csv file main syntax data equal to read.csv and your file name. R allows us to read data from CSV file which which are sorted outside our environment. Let us start understanding how to read and write data into CSV file. The file should be present in the current working directory so that we can read and we can also set your directory and file for them. In RStudio or R console, first checks the current working directory in R. Then check the current working directory in R using the function get method. The get method function is used to display the current directory in RStudio. Next, step-by-step procedure for reading the CSV file in RStudio. R CSV file. Get setting and working directory. First, it's the working directory. Use the function getwd. Next, creating the CSV file. Suppose we can choose the notepad file and enter the data and using the semicolon, comma operations. Reading from CSV file and data file with this type of file is able to read.csv extension. Read.csv. Next one, analyzing the CSV file. Through the analysis of the CSV file. Next one, working into CSV files. Next, steps for getting and setting the working directory. Using the getwd function to display the check the directory, the R workspace is pointing. And next, another function, setwd function, is used to set the new working directory to read and write files into the directory. Let us see the example getwd and setwd in R console. I will explain the later. So creating the CSV file. Suppose example, open the notepad and enter into the data and file save as .csv. The text file in which common spreadsheet, the value in the column is known as CSV file. Let us start creating the CSV file with the help of the data which maintained below by saving the .csv extension using the save as all files dot options in Notepad. Reading the CSV file. Main function, main syntax of the reading the CSV file is some example data equal to read dot CSV and your file name, read dot CSV and your file name. R has a rich set of functions. R providing the read.csv function, which allows to read the CSV file available in your current working directory. This function takes in a file name as input and return all records present on it. Some data equal to read.csv print data to display the notepad file data in RStudio. Open the R console. Open the R console. Size can be changed. First checks the working directory in RStudio using the function awd. Using the function, sorry for the distance, awd. Displaying the work RStudio workspace, C, user, Rajesh, and document. Uh, Reading the data from CSV file, choose the data, some value or variable as this goes. Some choose the data equal to read dot CSV, and already I will create the notepad file ex1 dot CSV. The path is given. Using the double quotations. Next, displaying the data, print data. The notepad information displayed on the RStudio and analysis of that particular data.